When simplifying an algebraic fraction, if we have more than one term on the top or the bottom of the fraction, our first step is to factorise the top and the bottom separately and then cancel common factors. On the top, if we've got two terms, we know two terms, we always try single brackets first. The highest common factor in x squared and 5x is simply single x. We now open our single bracket. What do I times x to get back to x squared? Well, I'm missing x. What do I times x to get back to 5x? In this case, I'm missing plus 5. On the bottom, again, we've got two terms. We normally try single brackets, but in this case, it's a special case. It's actually what we call a difference of two squares. As we have a squared term, must be subtract, and we've got another squared term, as 25 is a square number, which is 5 squared. Hence, it's the difference of two squares, which will factorise into what we call double brackets. What times itself is your x squared? We place a single x in each bracket. One as a plus, one as a minus. The square of 25 is 5, so plus 5 and minus 5. Cancelling common factors, I now have x plus 5 common on the top and the bottom. Hence, my final solution is x over x minus 5.
Your turn. Drop solution in chat. Thanks.